Intermediate 8. Urban heats, islands, and future of sustainable cities. As urbanization accelerates, many major metropolises are experiencing a phenomenon known as the urban heat island (UHI effect. This occurs when city centers become significantly warmer than their surrounding rural areas due to the prevalence of dark, heat-absorbing surfaces like asphalt and concrete. The lack of vegetation and the waste heat generated by vehicles and air conditioning units further exacerbate the problem. During heat waves, temperatures in urban centers can be up to 10 degrees Celsius higher than in the countryside, posing severe health risks to vulnerable populations and increasing energy consumption for cooling. To mitigate the UHI effect, urban planners are increasingly adopting cool city strategies. These include the implementation of green roofs where buildings are topped with vegetation and the use of reflective materials for pavements and rooftops. Additionally, expanding urban forests and creating blue spaces such as canals and fountains can provide natural cooling through evaporation. Such interventions not only reduce temperatures but also improve air quality and provide recreational spaces for citizens. Building sustainable cities requires a fundamental shift in how we perceive urban infrastructure. By integrating nature back into the city, we can create resilient environments that are both livable and environmentally responsible.